The Apple Watch Series 9 and Ultra 2 are returning to the Apple online store after a week-long absence. Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 are back in Apple's online store after a week of absence due to the ITC ban. This comes as the U.S. the Court of Appeals granted Apple's appeal to stop the injunction after the court approved Apple's appeal on Wednesday, allowing the premium Apple Watches to return back to stores. The Apple Watch ban is being put on hold while Apple awaits a decision from the U.S. Customs and Border Protection there to determine whether software proposed to redesign the Apple Watch Ultra 2 and Apple Watch Series 9's blood oxygen feature avoids infringement of two Massimo patents. It is planned that this U.S. the customs decision will come January 12. Additionally, the appeals court gave the ITC until January 10 to grant its request to set aside the Apple Watch injunction through an appeal to the entire court through the Apple Watch injunction. Other political parties have until January 15 to express support or opposition to the resolution. If the U.S. Customs decides that Apple's software changes are insufficient, and the Court of Appeal rejects Apple's request to suspend the ban. Throughout the appeal process, Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple can be downloaded. Watch Ultra 2 is off the market again. But in the meantime, you can now go to Apple's website and purchase the Apple Watch Series 9 or the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The watches were unavailable for a week and Apple stopped online sales on December 21. Apple's flagship Apple Watch models are also available from select Apple stores. The company says it will be available everywhere by December 30. That you can still buy the Apple Watch Series 9 or Apple Watch Ultra 2 from third-party retailers like Best Buy and Amazon.